As you can tell, I'm really excited about this. I get fired up about this kind of stuff because this is just amazing. This is something that anybody can do. This is something that even if you have no experience in online marketing, you can get started with this right now. It's so easy. It's literally as easy as... Hey guys, what's up? Nick John here, and in this video I want to show you guys the fastest and easiest way to make money online in 2020. And I feel like right now is probably a good time to cover this because a lot of people are working from home or just completely struggling because they lost their job right now with this quarantine and everything that's going on with the coronavirus. It's just absolutely crazy. So I figured I'd make this video showing you guys step by step how to actually do this process. And I'm gonna make this as beginner friendly as possible, so you don't need to have any experience with online marketing or affiliate marketing or anything. And before we get into it as well, I wanna let you guys know that this is not drop shipping, although what I'm gonna be teaching you guys here is something that you can use for your drop shipping. It's gonna help out a lot. It's not drop servicing and it's not affiliate marketing, but like I said, all the things that I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step guide can be used for any of those things as well. But I'm going to be laying it out in a way that you can actually get started with zero money. This is completely free, and I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. All right, let's get right into it. So first things first is we're going to start off at this website called IDPLR. PLR basically just stands for private label rights. And so what we're going after is we're going after some products that are already made by other people, so we don't have to make our own products because that takes a lot of time and energy and money. And so we're looking for products that people already made, they're already proven to sell, and we can actually purchase the rights from them. And a website like this, like IDPLR, they give you 2 free downloads, which is more than enough than you need. So you get to actually take the private label rights of 2 products that are proven to sell already for you. So that's step number 1, is to come over to IDPLR. It's linked down below in the description. And by the way, everything that I'm going to be talking about here in this video is going to be linked down. The entire step-by-step process is going to be linked down in the description. So if you forget anything, you can just go back into there and find all the links that you'll need. So first step is to come over to IDPLR. And once you get logged in, your dashboard is going to look probably a little bit like this. And as you can see some of the latest products that are coming out there. And then if you go all the way down here, you can actually go into different categories. So whatever your niche is, you can actually go in there and find something that it pertains to your actual niche. Is what I would recommend doing is with everything, you want to find your niche and actually find products within that niche, right? So I really like stuff in the psychology and self-help stuff, and I like spirituality and alternative stuff, and I like lifestyle type stuff. So just for this example, let's go into spirituality and alternative stuff. And you can also do a specific search up here too, and actually find different products that way as well. But we're just gonna go in here, and as you can see, there's so many different products in here, and a lot of them you'll notice have like an ebook and like an ebook system, but then they also have a video to go along with it, like some kind of video series. And most of the time that's really, really good. You want to have like something with a video in it, because that you can use as an upsell. So basically you'll have your ebook thing as your front end offer, and then on the back end you'll upsell them like a video series. And like I said, you get 2 free downloads with IDPLR, so you can use 1 for the ebook and then 1 for the video series for the upsell. So that's what makes it really cool. But what I'm actually looking for here is a product that I've already found, because I'm going to use them as an example. So I found them actually by typing in water, because that's another niche that I'm actually in. I sell these high ticket water machines, and so to include so for affiliate marketing and network marketing people out there, you can also use these PLR products as a bonus or an add-on to a product that you already sell. Maybe you drop ship some certain item and you want to make that product into more of an offer, which I highly recommend doing. Then you can tag on one of these PLR products onto that product. Say, hey, when you order right now, you actually get all of these bonuses as well. So what I would do in my water niche, I would say, hey, when you get one of these water machines, alkaline water machines, you can actually get one of these biohacking secrets ebook and the video series upgrade. Okay, so what you would do here is you would click on, let's just say, for example, if we wanted to download this one, biohacking secrets. Okay, so we get to actually preview this. We get to actually go in here and we get to see, okay, we get to see they give you emails. That's good. They give you a landing page. They give you a thank you page. They give you all of this stuff, right? It's amazing. They give you the sales page. They give you the actual lead magnet itself so that you can start to collect emails with it. So, dude, this is crazy. Like, when I found out about this, I was like blown away, because they just give you everything you need. Like, you don't need to create your own product. They already have these products made for you. And the best part is you come down here and you get to see that these are the product terms. You get to actually sell this product. You can use it for your own personal use, which could be really cool too. And you can do all of these different things. They give you all these different privileges when you're going out and selling these products. So let's say we went to go download it. Before I go and download this though, what I like to do is go over to the Facebook ad library. And I just like to go and type it in and just see if anybody else is actually promoting this product, right? So we can see right here in the Facebook ad library, there is somebody promoting something. It's called Biohacking Secrets. It's a Facebook page. So for Biohacking Secrets, for example, we get to see all these different sales or all these different ads that they're running. We get to see that they started running their ads somewhere around March 31st. And guys, if somebody's running this many ads, they're testing a bunch of different ads. If they're spending the money on Facebook ads can get pretty expensive. They're at least spending, at least probably a couple $100s for all of these ads to be running and tested. And so if they're spending that much money on testing these ads, then they're obviously getting results from this. So they're obviously making sales on their front end and back end offer and their funnel. So once we realize that they are making money, then the next step is to go into their funnel, get into their landing page, and actually see what they're doing. We can actually come back to this later though in the ad library. I would stay here in the ad library, keep it open at another tab, because what you could do is you can kind of get some ideas from how they're running their ads and maybe run your ads very similarly. Okay, so right now we're gonna actually click learn more as if we came across this ad and we are going to their landing page. And we can see here they have a video, they have their logo up here. I don't know if that was included in here. I don't know if that's something that they give you. Maybe it is, maybe they just made it in like Canva or something like that. But this is pretty legit. This is a pretty good landing page right here. As we can see, it looks pretty good. The colors are good, the fonts are good, everything looks professional. This picture is really professional looking, and everything looks really, really good. They are selling this for $4.95. So that is the front end offer. And then obviously we also saw that Biohacking Secrets in particular had a video upgrade as well. So I guarantee the next page that you go to, as soon as you go to put in your info, see they have a 2-step order form here. And I guarantee the next step after this is to get that video upgrade. So guys, this is really how easy it is. Literally all you need to do is go find a product on IDPLR.com. I wouldn't recommend doing Biohacking Secrets, although you could. There's already people doing it though. You could make it better. You could, maybe funnel hack this and make the funnel even better and outsell, this competitor. But I would recommend finding something that's not tapped into yet. Nobody's running Facebook ads to it, and there's nobody to compete with. Or if you want to go really ham on this, what you could do is you can upgrade your account on IDPLR and you can get infinite downloads. That way you can actually bunch products together, create your own product offer with like a ton of different products in there and sell that for a totally different price, and actually, potentially make even more money off of it. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. Like I said, also, you can use these PLR products as add-on products to add like bonuses, like digital information products to a physical product that you're drop shipping or you're selling online as well. So many different things that you can do with these PLR products. But what I would do is I would go in here, and you can tell that this site right here is using Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is the site that I use to build all my websites and all my landing pages and all of my funnels, because guys, I already have templates that are proven to sell products just like this website that we're looking at right here. I have exact templates just like this where you can just put in your logo, put in your name and everything, and all the pictures, obviously change the pictures around, and that's all you have to do and get this site up and running in a couple of hours. And yeah, it's super simple to use. Clickfunnels is the best website building software that I've ever personally used. And guys, if you want access to all those templates, I have them all for free. I have Clickfunnels training, templates, all kinds of resources that you can get access to in a free online affiliate marketing course. I'm gonna link that down below as well, so you can get access to that as well. And it is literally that simple. You can start using Clickfunnels for free as well, and just make a simple website like this. In here in IDPLR, they'll give you all the sales page copy that you need. They'll give you everything that you need. It's literally all just copy and paste. That's why I say, realistically, you could get a site just like this up and running in an hour or two and start driving traffic to a site like this in a matter of a couple more hours, and then start actually making sales right then and there. So guys, this is why I believe this is the easiest and fastest way to actually make money right now in 2020. And as you can tell, I'm really excited about this. I get fired up about this kind of stuff because, I mean, this is just amazing. This is something that anybody can do. This is something that even if you have no experience in online marketing, you can get started with this right now. It's so easy. It's literally as easy as copying and pasting a couple of pictures and names into a template that's already created for you. It's all done for you. And then literally the last step that you need to do is just drive traffic to the site. So what do you do to drive traffic to a site like this? Once you have it all set up and running, well, go back to the Facebook ad library, see what they're doing. You don't necessarily have to drive traffic through Facebook ads. You do not have to do Facebook ads. Actually, I don't even recommend it. But what I will recommend is, I don't want to make this video too long, so what I will recommend is go into the affiliate marketing free course that I have linked down below, because you're going to learn some easy free traffic tactics in the training in there. You're going to be able to get massive amounts of traffic into your site for completely free as well. There's no need to do Google ads or Facebook ads. Actually, I don't even recommend that kind of stuff, guys, first starting out in an online business like this. If you already know how to do Facebook ads and you know that you're gonna crush it with Facebook ads promoting one of these PLR products, then be my guest. Please go out there and crush it, dominate the market. But guys, if you are just getting started out, there is no need to do Google ads, Facebook ads, any kind of solo ad, paid advertising. Just don't even mess with it. Just go for the free traffic tools that I have in my free affiliate marketing course. Okay guys, we want to get our business started with the least amount of capital as possible, right? With that, I hope you got value out of this video. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you did find value out of this, and go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification for more videos just like this. I know I'm just getting started putting this affiliate marketing, online marketing type stuff out there, but there's going to be a lot more coming up in the future. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.